Italians' answer to day-old stale bread and a surplus of tomatoes is a panzanella salad. What's my answer to that? A Parma Ham and Fig Panzanella, so elegant in the making. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating a very simple yet stylish home alone wonder. I've had half a sourdough that was stale for a while now, and I've just cut it into the largest possible chunks. Into that goes a nice gluck of olive oil, preferably extra virgin, so nearly 20 mils of that all over, with about 4 cloves of garlic finely minced up, and a good sprinkling of some celery sea salt. We're just going to toss all this up together and put it into the oven to bake. At 200 degrees Celsius for about 7 minutes. You want it to get toasty but not totally crisped up. While those croutons are getting done in the oven, it's time to make a nice red wine vinaigrette, really sharp so that the hot croutons can go bang into it. So I've taken nearly 25 mils of red wine vinegar out here. This is going to get a fine sprinkle of some celery sea salt, a dash of some 6 pepper medley just to elevate it and cause a little bit of drama out here. Emulsifying this with nearly 25 to 30 mils of extra virgin olive oil. It's a very simple emulsion or a dressing. I'm just going to dunk all those croutons straight in so that they absorb every last bit of that sharp vinaigrette. Into this goes 4 to 5 regular tomatoes just quartered up and the pulp and the pits removed, along with 1 green bell pepper just cut into the most random of shards, 1 yellow pepper, 1 red pepper. We're just going to give it a light tossing now. 2 English cucumbers just cut up into large diagonals, and 8 figs quartered up going in. Now I've used fresh figs. You can also regenerate dehydrated figs and add them into this. A quick tossing before adding in some Parma ham. Parma ham is a perfect indulgence for a home alone treat. So 200 grams of that going into this salad is what's going to elevate and style it to the next level. A quick toss along with nearly about 15 green olives, but with a little brine because you want that piquant goodness to come through. A handful of basil just roughly torn up going into this creation. A last bit of tossing and this salad is ready. You can enjoy this today. It tastes even better if it's chilled for at least 4 or 5 hours. Any leftover of this forms the perfect cold soup, just pureed well together. I enjoy giving this a fine sprinkle of some celery sea salt right on top just to intensify the flavors and the taste. I hope you enjoyed creating one of my simple yet lovely home alone wonders. This forms my lunch, and any leftover of this is for the family when they return back for dinner. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.